this is just another project. You can see that someone put the dog on the bed. It's like a bed when my daughter used to every day to put like eyelashes on. The patient is lying here, and then I made this device here. So you have like this little thing here that you put here next to the person's head to put the eyelashes and put it on, but then I make a little thing here. It's a little device thing here. Piece of square tubing welded here, and I put a little thing here, and it's just a little height adjustment here. It's a little piece of metal dish that I connected down there, and you just push it in here, and you can adjust the height, and then you just fasten it here, just lock it here. Then if you sit here, so you can adjust the height here, fasten it, and put the things here, and then apply it onto the patient's head. And there's another light here, but as you can see, I just put this light and a piece of metal tubing, and there's a old brake drum from my car, just painted white. This is nice white, and so you can adjust the light here on the patient here with all the stuff here, so you can adjust it, the height. And what I did here, just put a piece of rubber sheet inside here for this to make it non-slip. It's just a normal thin rubber where the screws is. Then make holes in here just to make the screws like doesn't stick out here, and there's a smooth, and then you can put your whatever, your tools and your things here while you work on your tweezers. Adjust the height. Okay, this is a nice project. I hope you like it. Please subscribe. Till next time, cheers.